Recently, I got a tour of a local PC building warehouse and captured some behind the scenes footage of what it looks like when you order a custom gaming PC from XIDAX. This neat place is tucked behind what appears to be a normal looking building, but on the inside, it's a PC gamer's dream with rows of desktops, laptops, parts, and even some custom water-cooled units. And thanks to Intel, they even showed me their brand new Core Ultra CPUs they're using in their new XIDAX gaming PCs, and built one for me using a Core Ultra 265K and RTX 4070 Super for review. The whole experience was definitely really cool, so I'm glad that